Okay, so thank you Hazota. Ye video kanso nita anda de latis je tai video ma jet os shoot chira video this topic chunju china this jana de o de chade sare. So di o de to thank you video chat chunju chira da anda kone asu chunju chira. So thank you object ni parula force of attraction yores or the being la so gravitational force. So gravitational force the contest dewa and gravitational force the contest T contest dewa F is equal to m1 multiplied by m2 divided by r square asa ta mazo dingi di dosa sa ta di dosa de kala mazo gravitational force is proportional to the g into m1 into m2 divided by r square less so the proportionality the equal to the constant value store. Constant value the capital G. So F is equal to G capital into M1 into M2 divided by R square. The capital so the R square. So that F is equal to M1 into M2 laza. Then F is equal to 1 by R square laza. And F is equal to G. F is equal to G. Gravitational constant the force chipa in the understand okay, now the equation consists of gravitational force kachi F is proportional to product of the two masses of the object and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Okay. So the proportionality the equal to the constant that is equal to the G constant m1 m2 divided by r square. Okay. The G constant value think it as that mean gravitational constant any value that is scientist ki 6.67 into 10 to the raised power minus 11 and Newton meter square per kg square. Okay, that is not contestly next the unit the contestly and the G value contestly. Okay. G value the much F value and also cheaper the F the G cheaper is F the m1 into m2 cheaper F the 1 by square of the distance the inversely proportional number thank you. Okay, so the penas let F is equal to G contest let m1 is equal to 1 kg, m2 is equal to 1 kg and the distance between two distance between two objects B R okay R which is equal to 1 meter distance as a unit meter and D nas lara so F is equal to G m1 m2 divided by r square. So the value to do na F is equal to G and m1 kajure 1 kg ra 1 into m2 1 kg 1 chasa radius there and 1 ra 1 square chasa so sama chana G1 1 square 1 raja chasa so F is equal to G. You can say this which is equal to F is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the raised power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Okay. So the gravitational constant kachta force ki dewa gravitational constant G da say cycle jema anju kare calculation chidu fixed number the constant number the pujutane and force che na object ni paruna force che na mass ni te radius te na and kare gravitational force the constant value dipuni this year. Okay. Okay, gravitation kaji examples ta yeta dangi anzu mabu shetsa the example object ni baru the force of gravity yores ta ine the moon goes around the earth due to gravitational force lara then the earth the moon ina okay moon the earth la kora gyawores the natural satellite chigora so earth la is kora gyawores so earth la kora gyaw gumze moon the earth nija khare object bodies ning object na digore bodies na do so earth ki moon su pull chigore and moon ki earth pull chigore chesa pani baruna gravitational force ta chesa and earth di kora gyatu gores ta earth la kora gyatu yonasra ani kuni je jize bet loga da jize bet loga chiju dai le inde to ratio inde to sida ani force of gravity kewa yore yomare gravitational force moon ki earth la gyawa ta earth ki moon la gyawa di kewa yore na kewa yore sir andi ma di wal droche okay ta next the centripetal force the centripetal force ta di nembar kam ke se the scientist mangu ki theory mangu de the scientist tambo tu ki kana ore the nima da earth Pasa nima da earth parula earth da sun parula and kare gravitational force yore na yore sraine da the solar system the dishe ke scientist tambo tu kala ore nima di earth la kora kya ores nima di earth la kora kya ores na di theory de kala azam store di jana ni scientist awani study chi chidu kala nima ani earth la kora ke dosra earth di nima la kora ke dos desra and then the latest scientist Kepler's ki ani phanare Kepler's chela and Isaac Newton Kepler's kalare tanda earth di ani nima la kora ke dos ra nima la kora ke avores earth di nima la kora ke avore ani earth ta nima parla gravitational force yores ra okay ta deep le manashi ki acho khare earth ta moon parla gravitational force te ke yorasa so the kora in this gap to khare and the force the gravitational force nyabu la chik ani gravitational force the centripetal force kuni mingzik lodge ma to she thanda chi parda ta the centripetal force lana chara chi khari ne da bena ma atom to chemistry le na atom na no electrons to zo and nucleus la kora kya kora es la odi na chi ko chi ya odi khandes ko kora kya kore Rutherford ki ani exam khasa drawback the board ki ani khasa the drawback the clashes so physics din jo kana electron din jo kora kya na ani din ko jo energy radiate chene je energy zone ani nucleus la collapse chires jela kare board ki ani the circular motion object charge particle chip to na sra and so discrete shell la do yo shell ko ning pera energy shell discrete shell electron to kora kya yo za ani energy radiate chiwa mar cha collapse chiwa mares o the concept na shingi and thada so kare moon di earth la kora kya or earth kora axis la kora kya or dina shingi earth di sun la kora kya ora ta moon di der kora kya tu kala sra object chi khatu ne circular motion kabla and object shaba chi la kora kya yo na sra object di ki dene force chi de tam force ki dene force tam ani ki dene kare object di mass is and ki dene force de tam tu galasra ta radius to char ki dene force tam na ani kuni baro na kharcha re radius to char ta di moon ki earth la force gravitational force tam porta di ki dene de tam tu gala ma so in this radius to char circle ina di center che radius to char ta ko kachure di thinshu di and di ki de la tu exam kaza di moon di earth chona ora kya thor achen ko attract chi ore din ashingi moon di earth la center parane force object ki la de de la force apply chi gyo cha and centripetal force la ta for denne thu kimse kana so earth ki gravitational force ki thamor kesi ta the moon ki earth la gravitational force kya hi mena and di me chana di centripetal force di moon ki center ne force kya ho rasa earth la di me chana force di me chana and kachile moon zal earth la khare zadur so di da shingi thanda nge example chi le baina okay amachik then experiment di che la di or la ti okay so ta ma zo moon the earth ka jin ge shiva na shi chi pa chi gyan da di de kare force ki che centripetal force ki che moon ki ta moon ki kare earth la centripetal force chi kya or is centripetal force chi kya du gala ki dene center seeking force the centripetal force na Greek word and the centripetal the center seeking force la earth moon ki dene mass yora dene force kya du gana ko ne chikora kya thote earth la this kora kya thora this kora kya ora ta kora kya to ek se kana so object ni hiparu la ta na so gravitational force na something ki chana chama the de ore is the concept nya tera ta moon ke gravitational force kya hota moon ki gravitational force ki kacha centripetal force kya cha earth la kya cha kora khajare earth la kora kya thor ta in this kora kya tu gala circular motion to do gala velocity produce sugar and this velocity produce sugar na velocity na kare as kasi jantu speed with direction dara speed with direction na du gala kora kya tu gyopse chita yora gyopse yora khanshi la and direction as tangent chitena circle chilang ji so tangent chitena for direction and the lena in this dewa chitena in this moon ki direction dewa chitena in this direction chita so speed with the direction in a velocity to and velocity that direction chik rang the with the in the direction they in a there's a direction the choose the direction in a moon ki the next in the direction in the dusty the okay tangent in this direction so direction change velocity imba moon the velocity your khanshi the direction change china higher acceleration so the moon the higher acceleration acceleration due to gravity acceleration so the one a this the planets revolve around the sun due to gravitational force the nimala ane yang kare planet nimala planet je kora planet ma jo the moment na goera the planet jo kora gyatu gimje khare slana ra ane thinki dawadi ane adla kora gyawana shin planet je ane kaza sun na kora gyatu gimje khare due to gravitational forces sun the planets parula gravitational force then a falling apple exerts force of attraction on the earth but we cannot see earth moving towards the apple that is due to the acceleration is inversely proportional to the mass and the equation of a is equal to 1 by mass by 1 by m hello there pena the apple ya you ne pena di apple ina rata apple chine re ball chine okay then the apple chidra ma to ball le mai ne ball di shingdong gala ke shagyo di ende shagyo gala ma jauda di ma jauda gala tengi atu chalani barula force of gravity yores and gravitational force yores so ball di the earth bigi barula gravitational force yora ine ball di chipu ma yuda ball ani chala yongje dinjola move chinge dinjola hayore ani speed yores the speed with direction kachane cho pan do the cho chi ground do the earth towards the earth jaja speed with direction and velocity di ganga ani velocity yo kashila ani direction and speed di go do the speed in the sense velocity di go do thangbo dene ball de ma ja ka there's little go do ta slow motion china kachana chita dene ma yo ta ma yo ta ball dene ma titi relative dene ma speed china dene speed nunga che dene manga so the velocity increase china kana re change in the velocity is called as acceleration so ball de la acceleration produce chores sugi shuk kyane earth ki gravitational force ki shuk kyane so the apple di ma thing koi kunje apple de la mass numerous a is inversely proportional to mass inversely like so a increase chi na mass kare numa yota to so de la gala and the apple ma ja koi kunje ball ma ja koi kunje acceleration ma anga che mass kare numa earth la kare acceleration numa che mass kare ma kuni udino to acceleration the mass so that is inversely proportional to mass la koi kunje this okay yogo teach to the thinking is F is inversely proportional to product of the two object product of the masses of the two object and the square of the distance between them lana object dini bacha shape ni ra object dini na d mass kare m1 m2 che and d kare d gachi dini parula distance dikhatla so 1 meter ina sa 1 meter ina object ni de parula 1 meter ina anga jo value tinjo equation na putu gala f is equal to g constant m kare 1 kg m d gachi 1 kg d gachi kare 1 kg akoni parula distance kajo cha so 1 meter chila value putu gala chama ya chaira 1 into 1 1 ranjara 1 square 1 1 ranjara so that is g ranjara so g the f chipo and beginze then in this coordinate word object 1 2 distance r 1 kg 1 kg okay Okay. Next